Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. After that you can see this is search icon, just click on it. Then enter the model number of your graphic cards, AORUS RTX 3080 Master 12G. Then click on the product. So this is your graphic card, just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So and all the operating system installations, Windows 10 also installations process same. You can see this video and install. So this is driver and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see here, and it is completed 4 to 5 minutes. After click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.